Now we are going to see about control statements in loops. Loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. When execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. There are three types of control statements. First, continuous statement. Continuous statement, it returns the control to the beginning of the loop. Then break statement, it brings the control out of the loop. At last, pause statement. We use pause statement to write empty loops. Pause is also used for empty control statement, function and classes. But we won't use pause mostly. We will use only continue and break in most of our cases. Let us do some examples so that we can better understand the control statement in loops. Now we are going to see some examples related to control statement in loops. The first example is for continuous statement. We have to print the numbers from 1 to 10 except 6. That is, we should not print number 6. So let me go through the example. For I in range 1, 11, if I is equal to 6, continue, else print I. So the loop will get normally executed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I is equal to 6, it will get into continuous statement. So if when continuous statement comes, it will return to the beginning of the loop. So it won't print 6. So the I will get incremented as 7. So 7 is also less than 11. So 7, 8, 9, 10 will get printed. Wait, I will execute this program. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 is executed. The next example is for break. You have to print the numbers from 1 to 10, and if you encounter 6, then stop printing from there. So we have to print the numbers only from 1 to 5. When 6 comes, we have to break. That is, we should stop the execution. So for I in range 1, 11, if I is equal to 6, break, else print I. So the loop will get normally executed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I becomes 6, break statement comes. So when break statement comes, it will come out of the loop. So we will come out of the loop, and in the next line we are going to print execution comes out of loop. I'm going to run this program. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gets executed. When 6 comes, it will comes out of the loop, and execution comes out of the loop, get executed. The third control statement is pause. We won't use pause mostly, but here we use pause for only empty loop. For letters in Velamol, pause. So it won't print the Velamol string. So that is, it won't print the for loop itself. The for loop is an empty loop here. It will just go through each letter and it won't print anything. So after it reaches the end of the loop, it will comes out of the loop. So when we print the last letter is, so letter will print L as the output. I'm going to run this program. So L is printed as the output. So this is how control statement in loops executes.